Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. We are going to learn how to make this beautiful design. And just remember, if you look for me in YouTube, YouTube has me as Ana for Lana. And when you see this little cat, just click it and you will see all my videos. And for the materials, we need yarn, also knitting needles that are recommended for the yarn that you choose, and also a hairpin to create the cable. We already have the foundation, so now the three first points are going to be pearl. That is just the beginning. And now the part of the cable, we are going to knit 12. So the cable is going to be composed by 12 points. I already finished the 12, so let me just put a marker here so I remember. And I'm going to do the next ones. It's going to be just 3 pearl because I just want to show some contrast. So 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to repeat. I'm going just to do 12 stitches all on the right side. So I just finished the 12 and now I'm just going to continue with pearl. I'm going to do 4, just again for the contrast. Row number 2, we just done the work and now I'm going just to knit the next 4 points and then I'm going to purl 12 and again this will be the part for the cable. And we will continue 8 more rows, just repeating row number 1 and 2. Okay, I just finished 8 rows and now this part that are all in the knitting, those are the 12 points and I'm going to put the marker in the number 6, just in the middle. So I will be just separating the 12 points into 2 because then I'm going to be using the hairpin. So let me just start and I'm going just to start with the edge points and they are going to be pearl. Remember, this is just to give some contrast to the braid. So now I'm going to start forming the twist and I'm going to take my hairpin and I'm going to be taking the 3 first stitches and pull them out and then put them towards the front. Just hold them there and I'm going to be knitting the next 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And now the 3 points that I have in the hairpin, I'm just going to put them back into the needle, into the left side. And now I'm going to be knitting 1, 2, and 3. So this is the first part of the braid, of the cable. Now I'm going to take again my hairpin. I'm going to be working with this second part. I'm going to take the 3 next stitches and put them at the back. I'm going to hold them at the back and then knit 1, 2, and 3. And now the stitches that are in the hairpin, I'm putting them back into the left needle. And here I am. I'm knitting them 1, 2, and 3. So I did my first cable. Now I'm just going to purl the next 3 stitches just to give again some contrast. And this is the end of a cable. Now I'm going to repeat so you have this clear. So again, I have here my 12 stitches. So I'm putting the marker in the middle in the number 6. So I'll separate them. Now I'm going to be taking my hairpin and I'm going to be pulling out the 3 first stitches and putting them at the front. So now I'm going to knit 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm putting back the stitches in the hairpin and putting them back on in the needle. And then I'm going to be knitting 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I did already the twists, and now I'm going for the second part, and I'm going to take the hairpin and pull out the next three, but this time I put them at the back. I hold them at the back, and I will be knitting the next 3 points. One, two, and three. And the three stitches that I have in the back, I will put them back into the needle, and I will be knitting them. With this, I am completing the set of this cable. And now I'm going to continue doing purl, again, just to give contrast. And here I have the final version. So you see? Okay, so I turn the work, and I'm just going to remove the markers, and I'm going to continue for 8 more rows, just following the direction of the knitting, and then just repeating row number 1 and 2 until I get to the 8th. Okay, so I finalized 8 more rows, and now this is the moment that I'm going to start working on the twist for the cable here in the middle. I'm not going to put markers anymore because I'm getting used to this. So I'm going to purl the first ones, the edge, and now I take my hairpin and I'm going to pull the 3 first stitches, and then I'm going to put them at the front, hold them there, knit 1, 2, and 3, and then put the knitting back, the stitches into the needle, and I'm going to be knitting them. 1, 2, and 3. So I am done with my first set. Here it is. It looks very nice. So now I'm going with the second part. Take the hairpin, and I'm going to take the 3 first stitches, and this time I'm going just to pull them at the back, and I'm going to hold them there while I knit 1, 2, and 3, and then the stitches on the hairpin, I'm going just to transfer them to the needle, to the left needle, and now I'm going to be knitting 1, 2, and 3, and I have the complete one. Now I'm going just to purl, and that will give contrast to the cable. And you see, it looks very nice, and it could be used in any direction. Tap, down, you can just use it the way you want it. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like and subscribe. I'm going just to attach to this video the link for the sweater that I made using this type of cable. So I hope you like it, and I hope to see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.